Hello friends, welcome back to our Bachelor cooking show. I have come up with a very delicious vegetarian recipe, Begun Bahar. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. So let's start. First, we need to fry our begun or brinjal. Here we have taken some pieces of begun. We have already marinated them with some turmeric powder and some salt. And we'll be frying only 5 minutes. Now we are going to get into the curry. To make the curry we use some oil. Here we are adding 1 bay leaf, 2 red chili and some black jack into this. Then we are adding some chopped onion and green chili. We will be cooking it only 2 minutes. Now we are adding little water, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, after 1 minute we are adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon salt. We will be cooking 5 minutes. Now we will be adding fried pieces of begun and tomato. We will be cooking only 15 minutes. We are adding coriander leaf and cover it. Friends, our Begun Bahar is absolutely ready. Enjoy it paratha or rice. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon.